Welcome to Wall, a sleepy village in Staffordshire that hides one of Britain's best preserved secrets from the Roman era, the Baths of Letocetum. 2,000 years ago, this wasn't just any roadside stop. It was a vital hub on Watling Street, Rome's major military road stretching from London all the way toward Wales. Around 50 AD, Roman legions built a fort here during their push into Britain. But as the frontier stabilised, the soldiers moved on, and Letocetum evolved into a bustling civilian staging post. Imagine weary officials, couriers and merchants travelling the empire's roads. They needed rest, fresh horses, food, and of course, a proper Roman bath. By around 80 to 130 AD, the site gained its star attraction, a grand public bathhouse attached to a Mansio, the Roman equivalent of a luxury inn or government guest house. Today, managed by English Heritage and the National Trust, you can walk right among the foundations of this 2nd century bath complex. What survives is remarkably clear, a sequence of rooms designed for the classic Roman bathing ritual. Let's follow the Roman bathers' journey. First, they'd enter through a paved courtyard and colonnade, perhaps stopping in an exercise hall or palaestra to warm up with some light wrestling or ball games. Then came the changing room, the tepidarium, where they'd strip off their togas or tunics, store belongings in niches, and maybe apply oil. Next, the frigidarium, the cold room. Here, a bracing plunge into a cold pool shocked the system and closed the pores after heat. The real magic began in the warm and hot zones, powered by one of Rome's greatest inventions, the hypercaust underfloor heating. Bathers scraped off oil and dirt with a strigil, socialised and relaxed. Bathing wasn't just hygiene, it was a daily social ritual, a place to conduct business or unwind after a long journey along Watling Street. A wood-fired furnace in the praefurnium stoked flames, sending hot air and gases circulating under the floors and up through hollow box tiles in the walls. The heat rose gently, warming the tepidarium, the warm room, for gentle sweating and massage. Then the caldarium, the hot steamy room, like a Roman sauna, complete with hot baths or basins. There was even a laconicum, a dry sweat room for intense heat. The baths operated for over 150 years, rebuilt and expanded in phases until around 300 AD. Excavations in the 19th, 20th and later centuries by archaeologists like Graham Webster and the Staffordshire Archaeological Society revealed multiple bath phases from early timber versions to this impressive stone complex. Nearby, the Mansio offered rooms, stabling and meals. Think of it as an ancient motorway service station with 5-star spa facilities. What makes Letocetum special is how ordinary yet essential it was. No grand legionary fortress or colossal thermae like in Rome, just practical Roman engineering serving everyday travellers. Yet the ruins whisper stories of soldiers, merchants, perhaps even visitors from distant provinces. One tiny lead figurine found here even hints at African influences in Roman Britain. So next time you're near Lichfield, step off the modern A5, once mighty Watling Street, and discover Letocetum's baths. Walk where Romans relaxed, feel the genius of hypercaust heat under your feet, and connect with a world that shaped Britain 2 millennia ago. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you love hidden Roman gems, subscribe for more ancient Britain explorations, and drop a comment. Would you brave a Roman cold plunge? See you at the next site.